Hi, and welcome to 3Dsurvey volume calculation tutorial. We've already calculated a 3D point cloud last time around. Here's a quick overview of the outcome. To calculate the volume of the material, we first need to calculate a digital surface model. Simply go to DSM, calculate new, and set the grid cell size parameter to 0.2 meters, hole filling mode to only inner, and smoothing cell size to 2 cells. These parameters produce a smooth and detailed surface. Different view styles are also available. To calculate the volume of selected material, we need to select the area with a left mouse click, finish the selection with a right mouse click, and select Calculate Volume. Use the flatten function to see the lower surface of the calculation. To have more control over the calculation, we advise you to do the following. First, calculate the DSM with raw data. Then go back to point cloud and delete the area you'd like to calculate. Repeat the DSM calculation with exactly the same parameters as before. Lower and upper surfaces are clearly visible, and upon selecting the area we can clearly see the difference between them. Click Calculate Volume and take a look at the result. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.